Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here let me show you the quickest way to check IMEI number. Let's use the phone icon and let's use the keypad. Here you have to input the following code *#06# and the IMEI number just pops up. As you can see here, you've got two IMEI numbers because you've got two slots, you've got dual SIM version, so you've got two IMEI numbers. Tap OK to close this window. And now, if you would like to get access to IMEI and serial number by using the settings, you have to choose apps icon, find the settings, scroll down and choose system. So here you need to select about phone, and right here you've got status option, the second one. And as you can see here, you've got the serial number. You can also here read, for example, Wi-Fi MAC address and choose IMEI information. So here you've got also access to IMEI info. That's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.